Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we have given an expression that is 6 minus 3 bracket 6 minus 3. It seems simple, right? But still many people fail to solve this because they write it like this: 6 minus 3 as 3 and 6 minus 3 as 3, and they do the multiplication and reached at 9, which is the incorrect answer because they did not take a right approach. When you have given multiple sign, multiple operations, so you have to follow order of operation. So what is order of operation? It is also known as Padmas or PAMDAS rule and BODMAS rule. So when you follow this, you always reach at right answer, and it helps you to choose which operation you should solve first. So here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D and M is division multiplication. Both have similar priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly, in case of addition and subtraction. If we are talking about BODMAS, B is bracket. You have to first solve the bracket, then off, then DMAS is similar. So just write the expression 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3. So first we have to solve the bracket. So bracket is 6 minus 3, that is 3, and when we remove the bracket and there is no sign, we have to put the multiplication sign. Now what is left? Two symbols left, that is subtraction and multiplication. As per PADMAS or BODMAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So 6 minus 3 times 3 is 9, and 6 minus 9 is minus 3. So what is the correct answer? Negative 3, not 9. If you follow the correct approach, you will always reach at correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.